Wow. It's been really cold lately.
Have you heard the news about the massive winter storm hitting the U.S.? It's supposed to be the strongest one in 10 years.
Yeah, I saw some news about it. I heard it's been really freezing, and there's been a lot of snow. The winds are also really strong. They're calling it the bomb cyclone.
It's been causing a lot of problems. Some areas have even broken low-temperature records. And the snow has been falling so fast and hard.
It's been really scary. I saw a video from Buffalo where the storm caused a frozen ground situation. There were some houses and cars completely buried under the snow. It looked like the end of the world, like in the movie After Tomorrow.
Yeah, I heard some people couldn't even get out of their houses because the snowdrifts were blocking their doors.
It must have been really frightening. I heard that the storm has caused thousands of flights to be canceled over the Christmas holiday. And it affected millions of people's travel plans and holiday arrangements.
Yeah, it's really messed things up. But I hope everyone stays safe.
Me too.